Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get own property descriptor in the handler. So, what we're gonna do is let's remove everything else, and first we're gonna create const object monster1 equals. Inside there, what we're gonna put is I count, just a property. Don't think any conspiracy though. So I count is 4. The monster has I count of 4, and now is const handler. So first, what a handler does, it's make a trap for object.getOwnPropertyDescriptor. So this is the way it works. So what we're gonna do is create handler1. Inside that, we're gonna make it an object and use the get own property this clip dot and inside there what we're gonna put is target comma prop as a function. Inside there what we're gonna put is log it on a console and use the backtick method as usual, for printing handler stuff. So called, use the $sign for print the prop, and after that return configurable true, and comma innumerable true. After that value 5, and now what we're gonna do is you create a proxy. I'm gonna name it as proxy1 equals, use the new operator and create the proxy by using proxy constructor. Create the proxy by passing the monster, monster object, not a monster, and comma handler1. When we do that, if we it works, but you need to log it on a console what's going in here. So object, use the object constructor get own property descriptor and pass proxy 1 comma, and check the how we check the inside there is that having that property or not. So I count and value. When we're done with that, just log it on a console. See, called I count, and how many it has, the value is 5. So you say there is 4 in here, and after that when we use the trap for that, by using this proxy, it's gonna say 5. So hope you guys enjoy this video. and if you hit like if you find this helpful. If you have any problem, hit me in the comments. I will be sure to check that out. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.